Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2015 Holden Colorado, stock number 7080. It's ran from the 10th 2013 to the 7th 2016. It's an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, big plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight has slight sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear aftermarket 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate 1 dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear aftermarket 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch aftermarket steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,